Friends, will predict 5th May 2025 of Nifty. Nifty today has made a hanging man pattern which shows some bullish movement is underneath this pattern. From the last few days, the Nifty has consolidated around 24,000, around 300 level. But if we see that the option chain of Nifty, we can see some calls are yet to be liquidated in 24,000, 24,100, 24,200 and 24,300. So as soon as Nifty goes upside, this all calls positions will be liquidated, and calls unwinding we will see, and so there will be a upside movement very soon. And in the upper side there is a around 24,371, over 24,371 we can take the call, and the immediate target will be 24,450, and second target will be it can be up to 24,911. There should be stop loss. The stop loss should be 24,037, and in the deep stop loss should be 23,837. Happy trading, friends. If you like, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.